Elephant did it. The fake Percy of the ghost did it.
Do what?
Percy of the ghost. He was a ghost. He just did it too.
Good morning, Mrs. Quaid.
I think he did it.
Did what?
Percy of the ghost. He did it. The ghost. Percy of the ghost. He was a ghost. The ghost.
Alright.
Good morning, young person.
Enough.
Good morning, young prince.
Hey. Hey, can you smile big time for Daddy? Can you smile?